In this video, I'll be showing you how to configure security profiles. This is actually two videos. The first video is just a PowerPoint run through some of the rules that you might want to keep in mind while designing your profiles. The second one is an actual Salesforce.com demo where we dive into Salesforce and review how to set up profiles. So the first thing we should probably do is define what is a profile. A profile is a collection of permissions that determines what the user can do with the records they have access to and how they view those records. Page layouts are assigned to users based on their profile. So there's a relationship there I'll discuss at a later time. Profiles never override your organization's sharing model or role hierarchy. I put a little asterisk by sharing model because this is one of the following videos on sharing teams, and you might want to dive in there after you've reviewed these videos. Profiles versus roles. Profiles control what you can do. Roles control what you can see. This stumps up a lot of admins. And one way to think about it is just to look at the role hierarchy. But before we do that, profiles control what you can do. What you can do is called CRUD. It's create, read, edit, delete. And this is to objects like accounts, contracts, contacts, opportunities. Can you create opportunities? Can you read opportunities? Can you edit and can you delete? So that's CRUD. And that relates to a different profile. A marketing profile wouldn't want to have the access to delete certain things related to the HR position. So this is what we're going to be getting into in the demo in more detail. But let's discuss roles. I want you to see a visual of how we do roles. Roles control what data you can see. So what does that mean? That means we're dealing with your organization's role hierarchy. So when I say what they can see, this depends on your role hierarchy. It's a top-down approach, meaning that if you're the SVP of customer service and support, you can see everything in your subordinates list here. You can see what's in the Customer Support International, what data is there, what records are in the North American section, in the Installation and Repairs department. But these three cannot see up into your department. They can't see what type of records you own and have any access to that information. So it's a top-down approach. So that's what they mean by roles control what data you can see. If you're in this role, that's going to control what data you can see going up. All right, so and that's actually discussed more in the organization-wide defaults demo. It's also in this security series. So let's go through a few standard profiles, just so you can understand what we're talking about, what we're going to be focusing on in the demo. There's standard profiles and custom profiles, but standard profiles are different from custom profiles. They're set up in Salesforce already. They're limited in what you can do with them, and they come with each edition. So we have system admin, standard user, read-only, contract manager, solution manager, marketing user, chatter-free user, and chatter moderator user. So with that, there's going to be one more video. I think you should definitely take a look at the sharing, but for now, we're going to dive into Salesforce in the next video. We're going to go through profiles, and if you have any questions, reach out. Thank you.